Are you ready? Yes. Okay, high five. Okay, so my name is Teacher Cindy. What's your name?
My name is Henry.
Hello, Henry. How old are you?
7.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Very good. Okay, let's have high five. Okay, ready?
Go.
Yes. Okay, look at this one. What's this?
It is a pen. It is a pencil. It is a eraser. It is a ruler.
Okay.
It is a pencil color. It is a papa.
Very good. Okay, teacher asked you it's a. Okay. What is this?
It is a pencil.
Okay, what is it?
It is a papa.
What is it?
It is a pencil color.
Yes, very good. Okay, what's this?
Book. Notebook. There.
Yes, okay, so let's have. So you say it's for example, it's a book. It isn't a notebook. Okay, ready? Can you try? It,
A book. It is a notebook.
it isn't.
It is a notebook.
Good job. How about this one? It,
Chair.
it isn't.
It isn't there.
Yes, okay, good job. Okay, what shape is it?
It is a circle.
Okay,
Square.
okay, good job.
Triangle. Rectangle.
Yes, very good. High five. Okay, so we will say, yes, it is. What is it? Yes, it is.
No, it is.
It isn't.
No, it isn't.
Okay, very good. Okay, so for example, this one is, teacher asked you, is it a circle?
Yeah, it.
Okay. Is it a square?
Yeah, it.
Okay. Is it a rectangle?
No, it is.
It isn't.
No, it isn't.
Yes, very good. Okay, look at this picture. What is this?
Pen. Paper. Chair.
Chalk.
Chalk. Drum. Blue. Tape.
Okay, very good. Okay, teacher will ask you, what's this you say? This is pen, this is paper. Okay, ready? Yes, okay. What's this?
Drum.
Okay, what's this?
Blue.
Okay, what's this?
Tape.
Wow, very good. High five. Okay, what color is it?
It's red. It's yellow. It's blue. It's white. Black.
Okay, good job. Teacher asked you what color is it? You say it's red, it's white. Okay, ready? What color is it?
It's white.
What color is it?
It's yellow.
What color is it?
Black.
Very good. Okay, how about this one?
Green. Purple. Orange. Pink. Red. Brown.
Very good. Okay, so last questions. Okay, so this is last part of the test. You will mix the color. For example, it's blue
Blue.
and yellow, and green. Yes, very good. How about this one?
Red.
And
Blue. Purple.
Make.
Purple.
Okay, very good.
Red. And white. Pink.
Very good. How about this one?
Yellow. Yellow. And red. And orange.
Okay, now last one.
Red. And yellow.
And
And green.
green.
Green.